how to create really awesome entries using lateral footwork, and how to defend against someone who has really good lateral footwork. That's the topic of today's video. So a couple of weeks ago in our Jeet Kune Do class, we were filming some video for something else, and at the end of that, one of our students asked, what do you do against someone who has really good lateral footwork and is using that to create their entries? So the cameras were rolling and I thought, what the heck? So I demonstrated how to enter using lateral footwork while protecting yourself against counters. And then I also show how to defend against someone using lateral footwork to create those same entries. So without further ado, here's the video.
So offense and defense against someone who's got great lateral movement. So let me show that. Elio, give me a right lead for the camera. So I like to do a right lead a lot because a lot of people are left lead. We're going to reverse it here on the camera so it looks good. So I can go down his center, but I'm not facing all his weapons. I can move over here and I still have all his weapons he can hit me with. So my preference is to move to someone's outside. Now the way I do that is I usually give someone the center gate by opening up just a little bit. And what happens is I come around, boom. Now he could be in the middle, I could see his pattern of firing off a center gate strike, and when he does, I take a 45-degree step and replace. Right, got the feet? It's just boom, boom. And I can, boom, just pop that in right there. Or if I'm being proactive about it, move it around and just doing stuff, and boom, come over here. And you can come right in through here. If you're a grappler, you can shoot in, whatever your style is. Now, from this way, obviously I would switch my lead if I wanted to move to his outside, so I could easily come over here. If I'm in the same lead, I can do this and come back in. It's just a little bit harder of a step to go here than it is with the lead one. Now, could I move this way? I could, but I don't like the idea of this.
Could you trap and like hook or uppercut?
I could trap like this. I could come in and raise my elbow to block. So boom, like this, and then come down the center gate. It's a little risky. I could come over here and trap and come in like this.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of.
Yeah, but to be honest, whenever you have a choice, you could go over there. Another thing I could do is I could see like if he's giving me a little bit of an opening here, which a lot of people do. Obviously he's giving me a center gate, boom. But let's say the center gate's closed, but he's got this open a lot. Something Manny Pacquiao would do a lot is I would go here, but instead of entering, I would go more out. Yeah, so I'd pop and out. This won't work if they have a lot better reach than you. You can Manny Pacquiao them if you have the same stance. Instead of jabbing over here, is you could cross through there. Problem is, trap this, trap it, right? So, boom, and then you can come in and do whatever kind of thing you want to do after that. Now, from his perspective, how he's going to defeat that with his flinch spear, simple. He's just going to, right? He's going to, or he can pivot with his feet. So if I'm here and he's got his guard up, and I try to come out, boom. I try to come this way, boom. So he's closing those angles. He's making it hard for me. And he's always facing me. Put a little more bend, just a smidge of bend. Keep that in real tight here. This makes it real hard. So if I come over with a hook or a jab, he barely moves, right? Boom. And he can stop it. Boom. Right? Barely on, and that's because he's staying calm and composed and focused. Good job, Elio.
Cool, so hopefully you guys learned something about how to create entries by moving to the outside of your opponent, slipping over their lead arm, and creating those entries. If you liked today's video and you'd like to see more like them, please make sure to hit the thumbs up icon, and of course always subscribe so you get new content, and hit that little bell icon in the bottom so you're alerted when new content comes out. If you have any future videos you'd like to see me make, please make sure to leave those below in the comment field. Otherwise, until next time, go practice your entries and practice defending against those same entries. See you next time.